the sun. That's better. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and I'm back again with another video. New video for 2020. It's gonna be a little bit of a crafty video. Visionary board 2020.
I can't see. I'm visionary, but can't really see.
Here we go. You ready? I'm gonna bring my Starbucks. It's a tea, it's not a coffee. I said I was gonna chill on the coffee. So it's grande chai tea latte with coconut milk. And yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm in front of Walgreens. I'm getting ready to go inside and go print out my pictures. I have my car on because it's kind of cold outside. So it's warming up, but the sun is bright. And I'm loving it. I kind of just didn't want to go ahead there and say that little quote, but I did, so let's go. Don't you just love the aesthetic of a Greek town Walgreens? So here we are in photo, and all you have to do is get a computer that's working with a decent core. This one's cool. Alright ladies, listen up. If you think that the iPhone X screen was bad, wait till your nudes pop up on this thing. I know I'm here for my project, but I forgot I needed lash glue. This is like new adhesive, so I think I'm gonna try this one. Because I was walking down this aisle and I seen super glue, and I was like, wow, they're gonna super glue your nails? And I was like, that's almost worse than wig glue for eyelashes. And I was like, oh my god, I need my eyelash glue. So yes, to the craft section. I know I literally said craft section, but it's art supplies. Ooh, these are glittery. Hi you guys, so I'm back home and I'm ready to build my vision board. I'm so freaking excited, to be honest with you. And I have glitter glue and everything. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all the supplies that I have to build my first vision board. Okay, first things first, you're gonna need a board to put your visions on. Also need a pair of scissors, some tape. I used a glue stick instead. Some glitter glue, and a Sharpie, and your visions, your pictures. So some of them, like this quote, yeah, it didn't come out right. You see what I'm talking about? Oh, that kind of sucks. Trust the timing of your life. And I do, I'm very patient. Be very patient. That's one of the rules in life. Some of these are flipped because I was just going over them. I want to move and I want to own a condo, so that's gonna go on the board. Also money. These nails are so pretty. I also want, okay, first of all, I used to have Invisalign and it didn't work out. Okay, there's like a big story behind that, because look at the issue with that air pocket right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna scurry through these things. Oh, see, like this one, some of these didn't print well. So see this apple and the time, the stopwatch. I think I'm just gonna cut out this girl working out, cut around the heart rate and the water bottle, and like the music. I'm not, who cares about the scale? It's just about how you feel, right? Got some jewelry. Oh, I also want to get my passport. I've been always wanting to go to the south of France, and this is lavender. It's French lavender, and there are fields and fields of lavender, and I just want to see it from my own eyes. It looks like a postcard. Beautiful. Some of these do look like a postcard. Skincare is super important. Here is the quote that I want to start with. Girl, you already have what it takes. And also, broken crayons still color. okay? Those are like really important because it's like I love to paint, right? That's what I also want to do, is paint more. If you're broken on the inside, don't forget, you are still you. You have what it takes. You are it. You're bright. You can shine. You can get through this. You will never dull out. Adding a brand new car to the board, because why not? Also, I want to take a beautiful boat ride tour of my city. I've never done that. 100,000 subscribers for my YouTube channel. Also, I need to create a website. I purchased a website. I don't have a website. As you can see, this was cut off in the printer. So I'm going to mush this around. I left a little bit of room because my son is, you know, part of my everyday life, and I want him to write his name on the board. So I left a little space. That looks like a pretzel. I promise it's a heart. I put my name kind of small above the website, and I have my paints, and that is above France, where I want to go. It's like the art capital of the world. I also have some jewelry that I want to purchase in France. When I wake up, I should put it right here above my light switch. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry and add a few more things to it, and just look over the things and continue to manifest my goals, my dreams. Just keep going over my everyday life. Honestly, stay busy, stay focused, work hard. Just continue to push out everything that I want for myself out to the universe, instead of keeping it inside my head of all the things and all my dreams that I actually want. I'm out there willing to achieve this stuff, and I'm working hard. I want my goals out where I could see them, and I want to see it, and I want to believe it, and I want it in my hands. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Now I want you to go out there and I want you to try to do your vision board too. You don't have to buy a board like mine. You can actually buy glitter duct tape and tape the edges. I might get some transparent tape and kind of go over some stuff just in case so it doesn't fall off the board. But other than that, I'm in love. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. I love you so much.